Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Opencart Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin provides your customers with the DHL shipping service for receiving their orders within your marketplace store. The customers can see the DHL shipping service at the time of checkout there under the shipping methods there or the under the delivery methods there. Now the shipping cost is calculated on the basis of product's weight and the zip code of the seller and the customer. Apart from that, the sellers will have to enter their DHL account details to provide the DHL shipping service for the products, and if they don't, then the DHL shipping service will not be available for their products. Now apart from that, the sellers and the admin can generate the DHL shipping label for the orders as required. Now in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end, how the customers can place the orders using the DHL shipping service there to receive their goods using the same, and then I'll be showing you how the marketplace vendors would be able to generate the DHL shipping label for the orders that have been placed for their products using the DHL shipping service there, and how they can set up the DHL account details to provide the DHL shipping service for their products there. But before proceeding further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the marketplace web store front end, and I'm on a category here of the marketplace DHL shipping, and here I have a few products. So I'll be adding a product into the cart and I'll be making a checkout thereafter. So I've added one product into the cart, that's the marketplace DHL shipping by the seller John Doe, and I'll be tapping here on the checkout button. Now here I'll be choosing my billing details, then I'll be selecting my delivery details or the delivery address, and then under the delivery methods here you'll find the marketplace DHL shipping system, and here we have the different types of or the methods there available for the marketplace DHL shipping. So the customer can select any one of them and can proceed further by tapping on the continue button. Now after that, I'll be selecting my payment method and I'll be checking the terms and conditions and tapping on the continue button. Now before confirming the order, I can find the name of the product there, the shipping or the shipping service that I've selected, the amount of the shipping service there, and now let's tap here on the confirm order button to confirm the particular order there by the customer. Now after the order has been placed, the customer can view the history of the order there by going to my orders there, and there he can find the shipping method that he had selected, that was Express Easy, and he can see the shipping method selected and the amount of the shipping method as well. Now this was the customer's workflow, how they can select the DHL shipping service at the checkout time to place the orders so that they can receive the orders using the one of the best shipping services, that's the DHL shipping service. Now after that comes the end of the marketplace vendor, how the vendors would be able to generate the DHL shipping label there. For that they'll go to their order history section. Under there they'll find the particular order placed, they'll view the order, here's the order information. So here they'll find the DHL shipping label button. To generate the shipping label there, they'll have to first select the particular product and then tap on the DHL shipping label. Here they'll find the particular shipping method selected by the customer, and they can find the details of the product that the customer has purchased, as you can see here, along with the shipping address of the customer as well. Now to generate the DHL shipping service, you have to select the product first here and then tap here on the DHL shipping label. Now this would basically generate the shipping label for the order. The shipping label has been generated, as you can see, and now if I tap on this print shipping label, you'll see that the DHL shipping label would be generated. So here's the same, here's the customer's address, here's the seller's address, as you can see, and here's the complete shipping label for the use there by the marketplace vendor for his particular order that was placed using the DHL shipping service. Now comes the part how the sellers would be able to set up their DHL account details. So for that, under the marketplace dashboard itself or the marketplace account panel, basically they'll have to navigate to the option that's the marketplace DHL shipping. So for that, let me take you to that particular section. So for that, I'll just log out from this particular section. I'll be logging into the seller account once again. So I'll just go to the login page. I'll log in. I'll close this out. Now here I'll find the marketplace DHL shipping, as you can see. So I have to tap on that, and that will bring up the DHL account details. Now you will find the details of the DHL account by registering at the DHL, and the DHL will provide you with the access ID, password, account number, DHL account city, the DHL account zip code. These details would be accessed by you from the DHL itself. So you have to enter the access ID, password, account number, DHL account city, the zip code. Then you have to enter or you have to select from the drop down here the DHL account country, the DHL account region state, the weight unit for your products, the size for your products in inches or in centimeters, and then you have to tap here on the save button to save the DHL account details. So that's how you can save the DHL account details. Now you need to save the DHL account details, otherwise you will not be able to provide the DHL shipping service for your products there. So you need to do that. Now the admin on the other hand can also do the same under his own account panel for his own products. He'll be able to configure this module initially, and he'll be able to enter these details there for the DHL shipping, and that's how he'll be able to provide the DHL shipping for his products as well. And in the same manner would the admin be also able to generate the shipping label for his products for which the customer has chosen the DHL shipping service there. Now coming to the admin, and let me take you to the admin's backend panel, and let me show you how the admin would be initially able to configure this particular plugin in the first place. Let's go to the initial configuration settings. So for that you'll have to navigate to extensions and extensions, then choose shipping. Here you have to scroll down to the marketplace DHL shipping. Here you'll have to tap on the edit button, and here you'll find the complete configuration settings for the DHL shipping itself on the admin's end. So to enable this particular shipping method for the customers at the checkout time, you'll have to choose this option as enable for the status. Then you have to choose whether you want to make use of this particular plugin in the testing or the sandbox mode, or in the live or the production mode. For the live or the production mode, you'll have to choose this option as disabled. For the testing or the sandbox mode, you'll have to choose this option as enabled. Then you'll have to set up the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. The same title was visible to the customers at the checkout time while they have to select the shipping method there. This is the title there. Then here you have the gateway URL. If the DHL has given you an alternate URL, you can enter the value in this particular field here for the gateway URL. Then you have to enter the access ID, password, account number, and these details would be fetched from the DHL itself. The DHL will provide you with the same when you have created an account with the DHL there. Then you can set up a custom logo on the DHL shipping label. If you see here we have the custom shipping label, the logo that I've attached here. So you can set this up from this particular section here, upload image for the logo. Then you can choose the geo zones for which you want to enable this particular shipping method. The zones that you have selected here, for those only this DHL shipping method would be available. Then you have the option to allow the sellers to add DHL account details. If you have disabled this, then the marketplace vendors would not be able to add the DHL details there, and they'll not be able to save the details there. Otherwise, to enable this option, enabling this option would allow the sellers to add the DHL account details under their own account panel, as I've already shown you. Then the admin needs to select the DHL account city, the DHL account zip code, the DHL account country from the drop down, the account state regions, account region or the state for the DHL, the weight units that are to be used for the products, the size, and also here you can see that allow sellers to display company logo on shipping label. So you can also enable the sellers to display their own company logo on the shipping label here. This label is of the sellers there, and this one, the red one is of the marketplace admin himself. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Opencart Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how the customers can select the DHL shipping method at the checkout time, how they can place the orders using the same, how the vendors would be able to generate the DHL shipping label under their own account panel, how they can set up the DHL shipping details under their own account panel, and how the admin would be able to initially configure this particular plugin in the first place. So yes, that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.